Hey everyone! Have you ever felt the frustration of a device dying on you unexpectedly? You know, that moment when your phone, laptop, or even your car battery just gives up, and you're left with no choice but to replace it? Well, what if I told you that there's actually a way to bring those dead batteries back to life and save yourself from constantly shelling out money for replacements? Let me tell you about Easy Battery Fix. It completely changed how I think about my electronics. I was honestly blown away when I first tried this. Easy Battery Fix is a simple, step-by-step guide that teaches you how to recondition batteries from all sorts of devices, laptops, phones, cars, power tools, you name it. And the best part? You don't need fancy tools or complicated knowledge, just things you probably already have lying around the house. I was skeptical at first, but when I saw how easy it was to get my old laptop battery charging again, I was hooked. It's crazy how many devices we throw away just because of a dead battery. I know I've done it more times than I can count. But after using Easy Battery Fix, I realized how much money we waste on replacements when we could easily fix the issue ourselves. I was able to bring my old phone back to life, and now it's running like new. What's really awesome about this guide is that it's not just for phones or laptops. I've used it to fix all kinds of things in my house: remote controls, kids' toys, even my drill that I thought was completely useless. It's like a magic trick for your gadgets. This isn't just about saving money, it's about feeling empowered. There's something so rewarding about fixing something yourself instead of throwing it away. Plus, it feels amazing knowing you're not contributing to the endless cycle of waste. With Easy Battery Fix, you actually get to extend the life of the things you own, which is pretty incredible. So if you're tired of constantly buying new batteries or devices, this guide is for you. It's so simple, effective, and really does work. I honestly think everyone should have access to this kind of knowledge. It's that useful. If you want to start saving money and bring your favorite devices back to life, you need to check out Easy Battery Fix. Trust me, it's going to change the way you look at your electronics. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos for more tips and reviews. See you next time.